Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 25th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is pulling back a little bit more. So we are down $11.43, 1.4%, closed at 805.30. Post-market, we now seem to be up a little bit by 10 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. Last Thursday, we had met our top resistance right here. And on Friday, we broke outside of it and then came back into it. And today we are pulling back a little bit more. So we have two red candles in a row, but we are still well above the 50% retracement of this candle here. We have only pulled back just a little bit, maybe 20% or so. So Tesla is maintaining itself quite well. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we started today right here. So came down during the first hour. The first hour was undecisive with the wick at the top and wick at the bottom. The market did not know exactly where it wanted to go. Then we tried to push a little bit higher again on the second hour and reach this downward resistance. And then we went sideways, and now we caved in at 230 a little bit more. And now we seem to be bouncing a little bit. And I have added a 21-day exponential moving average on all my charts. This is a test that I'm doing. I spoke about that with my members last Sunday, yesterday. I will be using this to try to spot other supports. So we have our trend lines, which can be support. And also, moving averages can be a support. If we take a look at it here, so on July 14th at 2:30, so you see how the 21-day moving average acted as support quite well. I'm going to start looking at this here. And with this new moving average, we see that we basically stopped there. We stopped there at 2:30, and now we seem to be bouncing on it today. So we still are into a little bit of a downtrend for Tesla on the 1 hour chart. We lost stochastic over 60, but it's still at 52. So we lost it, but it's not too bad. It would not be impossible that we go back to this point right here. We have this big upward support. So we've extended ourselves quite far, and maybe we are coming back to here. If we reach 783, it would not be so bad if we just recover from here. Looking at the daily chart, a broader perspective, we still have a stochastic at 80, very strong. MACD is all bullish, RSI is bullish, and the MI is also bullish. This is just par for the game because we had such a great day last Thursday. Let's just be patient and let's see what the stock is going to do next. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.